darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. In case you're new here, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch our video today. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can wear a brooch. If you haven't watched my unboxing, it's in my last video and I'll link it below so you can see it. And it's a Chanel brooch, and I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can use it. So please keep on watching, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So this would be one of my favorite ways to wear this brooch. Wearing it as a choker, it really looks very nice, very elegant, and it actually looks as if it was made with the twilly. I don't know if you can call it that. It's a very thin twilly. I'll take it off so you see what it looks like. I just tied it at the back. I can't remember where I got it from. I just saw it in my wardrobe and then decided to use it. And then you can also tie it around your hand, which I did in the other video. Absolutely love this brooch. It's so diverse. You can use it so many diverse ways. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified when I upload my video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.